I love to share sustainable opportunities that I come across, especially for new entrepreneurs and anyone wanting to put their site or manage it and become more self-sufficient. So this is an opportunity that I want to share with you today. It's called Reforest the Web. It's a company that's been in the running for more than 10 years, working on amazing web designs and different kind of SEO services and content management. Now, the reason that I would like to offer these guys to you is because they are amazingly offering discounts for ethical and sustainable companies, as well as planting trees for every package that's purchased. So if you are interested in getting your business up and getting some content managed as well, so you can maybe free yourself up for more of what you love in your business, please get in touch. There's this brief that we'll fill in to send it to them in order to figure out what kind of packages they can offer you. And in no time, you could have a really responsive, beautiful site up, and at the same time, do our little part in this world through something sustainable. I really love the concept of businesses that exchange your services for something that we can all benefit from. So if this isn't of any interest to you, please get in touch. I'll also leave the links and the description about it in the description of the video. Thank you so much.